Nespresso Capsules Vertuoline, medium and dark roast coffee variety pack, a 3-minute guide for coffee lovers. Welcome back, worker subscribers. It's your favorite YouTuber, and today I am excited to share with you a guide every coffee lover needs in their life. Today, we are introducing the Nespresso Capsules Vertuoline, a medium and dark roast coffee variety pack that offers you a completely personalized coffee experience. But before we dive in, let's hear some awesome background music and get our coffee mugs ready. Shot 1. Nespresso Capsules Vertuoline. What is it and why do we love it? Have you ever been frustrated because your coffee tasted bland or generic? Well, fear no more. The Nespresso Capsules Vertuoline Variety Pack delivers a rich and unique coffee experience with every cup. This variety pack includes 3 different flavors: Stormio, an intense and highly roasted blend; Odacio, a bold and lively coffee; and Melozio, a sweet and smooth coffee. Each pack includes 30 capsules, and they brew 7.77 FL each. Imagine having Starbucks-level quality coffee in the comfort of your own home or workplace. With Nespresso's innovative brewing technology, you can now enjoy rich and flavorful coffee like a true coffee connoisseur. Visual suggestion: show a cup of coffee with Nespresso Capsules Vertuoline pouring in from the coffee machine. Shot 2. The advantages of Nespresso Capsules Vertuoline. Firstly, the Nespresso Capsules Vertuoline offers an easy and efficient brewing process that saves your valuable time. All you have to do is insert your chosen capsule and press the button. Secondly, the capsules are made of aluminum material that is completely recyclable, making it an eco-friendly alternative to traditional coffee filters. Visual suggestion: show a time-lapse of the brewing process with the Nespresso machine. Shot 3. Stormio. Experience the intensity. Visual suggestion: a slow-motion video of a person holding a cup, taking a sip, and feeling energized.